So now let's see how we can work around with Dither and RGB Clip inside of GIMP. So if I were to go around and zoom in right here, you can see that the pixels are quite smooth right now. But if I were to go around over here onto colors, let's say for example, and then go to Dither right here, then you can see that it dithers it out. I can go around, change around the red level as you can see right here. I can change around the green level as well, just like this, and decrease this out right here. And I can change around the blue level as you can see right here as well. And this is what you have. You can go around and see the dither level applied. You can also go around, change around the alpha level right here. And there are different sort of dithers that you can apply right here. Like for example, there's a random one right here, just like this. There's like arithmetic add right here, and so forth. And you can change around the opacity as well. You can also go around, change around the random seed right here, just like this as you want. Press OK, and then this is the effect that you have. So when you zoom out, you don't really see the effect, but once you zoom in, you can see the dither effect right here, just like this. So apart from that, you can go around over here onto color and then go to RGB clip, let's say for example, and change around the lower limit of the RGB right here, and the higher limit as well, just like this. So once you go around, you can see that the brightness level right here actually goes around and changes out right here, along with the lower limit as well, just like this. So if I were to go around and press OK, then this is what you have. And that is how you can work around with Dither and RGB Clip inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.